Today, video creation is no longer limited to cameras, studios, or complex editing software. AI technology, anyone can now produce professional-looking videos in a much simpler and faster way. AI-generated characters can speak, move, and express emotions in a way that feels surprisingly realistic. Because of this, more creators and brands are turning to AI to save time while still delivering high-quality content. If you want to create talking videos without hiring actors, without recording yourself, and without spending hours on production, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore a new AI tool that simplifies the entire process and makes it beginner-friendly. This tool is called DesignAI. You can find the official link in the description below. DesignAI allows you to create realistic AI characters that look natural and engaging. You don't need advanced skills or prior experience to use it. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, so anyone can get started easily. Whether you're creating AI influencer videos, animated content, or talking characters for social media, DesignAI makes the workflow smooth and accessible. In this video, we'll focus on one powerful feature inside DesignAI that helps AI characters look more realistic and speak more naturally, making your videos feel more professional and authentic. After clicking the link in the description, you'll be taken directly to DesignAI's official website. From here, you can create an account by signing up with your email address or by using your Google account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Once completed, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll notice that DesignAI offers a wide range of creative tools. The interface looks clean, modern, and easy to navigate. All the features are well organized, so even first-time users won't feel overwhelmed. However, for this video, we'll focus on just one key feature: lip sync. From the dashboard, click on the lip sync option. You'll be prompted to upload a face image from your device. Once the image is uploaded, DesignAI automatically detects the face. After reviewing the preview, simply click Confirm to continue. Now comes the most exciting part: adding a voice to bring the character to life. Click on Pick a Voice, and you'll see a full library of AI voices. These voices come in different tones, styles, and personalities. You'll find calm and professional narrators, expressive storytelling voices, and energetic, social media-friendly voices. Each option is clearly labeled, making selection easy.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration.
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because the news coming out from NVIDIA today is going to blow you away.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts. So use my voice for those kind of projects.
All voices sound realistic, with natural rhythm and emotion, not robotic. You can also change the language with a single click, which makes this feature ideal for global or multilingual projects. Below the voice selection, you'll find a text box where you can type up to 400 characters. You can write short lines, casual dialogue, or even a mini script. Once finished, click Generate Audio. Within seconds, DesignAI creates a high-quality voiceover with proper tone and expression.
Hi, I'm an AI-generated character created using AI, bringing ideas to life in seconds.
Next, click Apply, choose your preferred video quality, such as 1080p, and then click Generate. After a short processing time, your lip sync video is ready.
Hi, I'm an AI-generated character created using AI, bringing ideas to life in seconds.
The facial movements look smooth, natural, and perfectly synchronized with the voice. The same workflow also applies to multi-face lip sync. To use this feature, simply upload an image that includes more than one face. DesignAI automatically detects all faces in the image. After confirming, you'll see separate voice selection options for each character. Here, you can assign different voices to each person. For example, a male voice for one character and a female voice for the other. You can also add separate dialogue for each character by following the same steps used in the single-face lip sync process. Once everything is set, click Generate. After a short wait, your multi-person lip sync video is ready.
Today, we're showcasing how AI can create realistic talking videos in minutes.
And this entire presentation is generated using advanced lip-sync technology.
The results look smooth, natural, and highly professional, making this feature perfect for conversations, interviews, and story-based content. DesignAI clearly demonstrates how powerful and accessible AI video creation has become. With advanced lip-sync capabilities and an easy-to-use interface, anyone can create professional AI influencer content without complex tools or prior experience. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or working with clients, this platform saves time while delivering high-quality results. Feel free to check out the link in the description to explore DesignAI for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tools and tutorials.